Hey, hey guys, Master Praveen, how are you everyone? Might be you are seeing this beautiful nature and beautiful environment. You can see the beautiful sea. Okay, let me talk a little bit about it. I am here in Da Nang, one of the very much beautiful city in the Vietnam, and this city is also very famous for the tourists. This city is very famous for the people around here, for the traditional, for the culture, and especially for the food. Might be some of you thinking that the food that someone is a vegetarian, someone are the non-vegetarian, that you can, if someone vegetarian, they usually have this problem that, oh, we cannot find the vegetarian food. But no worry, you can find any kind of the food you like it. You can have the vegetarian, even the non-vegetarian. And the one thing what I like here, the people are really awesome, very friendly, very cooperative, very caring. Especially they are very much friendly. The people like us, the foreigners people, बड़े अच्छा उनके साथ दे व्यवहार करते हैं. They're really very mix up so fast. So I am here to just explore this place. This place is the San Cha. This is the mountain place, the San Cha name of this mountain, and a very attractive place. So I just come here today a little free, got stuck with some of my online classes. So thoda sa free time, I got some free time and just come here with some of my friend. My friend is making the video for me. Thank you so much. And okay, let me see you around here. I am just enjoying this place today. Okay, please come. So we stop our bike here to explore this place. So this place you can see, still we have to go more up on the mountain. You can see the mountain there, and you can see is the black clouds and the white cloud. We'll go there too, but we are thinking that might be there's quite rain, so we can't make the video here, but I'll go there. If find a chance, I'll make the video again. Okay, please come more close. So can see the huge sea around here, a very huge sea, and have a very good feeling when you have breath, inhale and exhale. Usually we are doing the yoga, you are doing the yoga with me. Usually we practice in the studio, in the room, in the home, and the feeling of when you are in the environment, when you are in the nature, you can feel the peace, you can feel that relax. And when your breath, even the one breath, and you can have so much positivity, so much energy, and I cannot explain, guys, and you all have that experience too. And I'm really feeling so peaceful. Sometimes really getting stuck with a lot of work. आप भी देखते हैं कि online classes going on, this thing, this, that. So today I'm feeling so relaxed, and really I came here and sit in the silent for few minutes. It's just like a meditation you are doing it. Do nothing, just observe the nature, feel that peace, feel the relax, and you can feel awesome, guys. So a very big mountain. Can we come closer a bit more? More close. You can see the sea around here. अगर मैं थोड़ा सा और आगे गया, if I go a little bit more, so might be I will be fall down here. So it's a very beautiful place, and the sea, I'm here for almost 1 hour, guys, and after every, like, sunshine sometimes is coming, sometimes is going, and you can see the black cloud is coming too. You can take the up here, you can see the black cloud is coming too. And because the sunshine, the sea is, the color of the water is also changing. Sometimes it's coloring in the green, sometimes coloring in the blue. A very, very beautiful place here, very nice. Okay, I also do some yoga here. Come, I'll do some poses. Let me try. Let me take out my shoes. Maybe I can do very perfectly. Can you make the come there? Please do not complain that I wear the jeans, I wear this. Everywhere you can do the yoga until you follow the right ethics of the yoga. So let me try the tree pose. Yes, I can do that. Have a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. You want to do with me? You can follow me. You can do with me too. Very nice. You can be taking the arms up. Relax. Okay, now I'll try to do some gentle back bending. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Beautiful. Exhale. Let me try the tree pose. Chair pose. Utkatasana. Beautiful. Let me try the dance pose, Natarajasana. But if I fall down, so please do not laugh at me. हंसिएगा मत मेरे ऊपर अगर मैं गिर गया तो. Let me try. Balance, Praveen, balance, Praveen, balance, balance, balance. Yes. Okay, I'll try the one flag pose. Because it's so windy. And let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Praveen, control. Control. Balance. Focus. Focus. Control. No. So thank you so much guys, and I hope you like this video and you find this place so beautiful. In future, whenever we get chance, we will organize some event and I will definitely invite you all. So thank you so much. Namaste. हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए और अपनी योगा की प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए. हरि ओम. ओम शांति.